Truthful. Liam was a smart boy who always finished his homework on time. One day, he forgot to do his math homework because he was playing video games. The next morning, his teacher asked,
Liam, did you do your homework?
Liam felt nervous. He thought about lying, but then he remembered that telling the truth is important. He took a deep breath and said,
I am sorry, Ms. Brown. I forgot to do my homework.
Miss Brown looked at him and said,
Thank you for being honest, Liam. You must finish it after school today.
Liam felt relieved. He realized that telling the truth may be difficult, but it helps people trust you and is always the best choice.
Being truthful means always telling the truth and being honest. It is important because it helps people trust each other. When we are truthful, others know they can believe us. This makes friendships and relationships strong. Sometimes, telling the truth is not easy. People might lie to avoid trouble or to make themselves look better. However, lies can cause problems. When someone finds out the truth later, they may feel hurt or stop trusting us. That is why it is always better to be honest. Being truthful also means being honest with ourselves. We should admit when we make mistakes and try to do better. If we tell the truth, people will respect us and know we are reliable. When everyone is truthful, the world becomes a better place. People feel safe, and there is more trust between friends, family, and communities. That is why truthfulness is so important in life.